Here is how to change a motor on an i5. First, make sure the power is turned off to the motor in machine. Next, locate the 4 bolts on the bottom side of the motor. Using a 9/16 wrench, loosen and take out all 4 bolts. Next, remove the motor from the gearbox by sliding the motor up from the gearbox. If the motor won't come up, you can use a flat blade screwdriver to help assist the motor up. Then make sure to remove the keyway from the gearbox. Next, place the rubber gasket around the motor and use anti-seize on the motor shaft. Place the keyway back in the motor shaft and align the keyway up with the slot of the gearbox. Then slide the motor down and align the holes on the gearbox and motor. Then tighten all 4 bolts from the gearbox to the motor. Next, wire the motor up accordingly to the voltage at your site. Once wired up, test the rotation on the motor and make sure it rotates the same as the other side motor. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please contact Oasis.